Trump's crypto revolution, United States as the global crypto hub. A new era for investors, United States takes the lead in crypto. As President Donald Trump steers the United States toward becoming the global capital of cryptocurrency, his administration is taking decisive action to integrate digital assets into the nation's financial system. With a clear pro-crypto stance, Trump's policies present a transformative opportunity for investors. Trump's pre-election crypto promises position the United States as the global crypto powerhouse, end hostility toward digital assets and introduce pro-crypto regulations, block central bank digital currencies or CBDCs to preserve financial freedom, encourage institutional and banking adoption of Bitcoin and crypto, leverage blockchain for financial and national growth. Trump's post-election crypto achievements. The U.S. Strategic Crypto Reserve has been established. Trump's administration has officially designated 5 cryptocurrencies as part of the nation's first-ever crypto strategic reserve, Bitcoin, often referred to as digital gold and a store of value; Ethereum, known as the smart contract and DeFi powerhouse; XRP or Ripple, a leader in banking and cross-border payments; Solana, a high-speed blockchain designed for Web3 and DeFi; and Cardano, a research-driven and sustainable blockchain. Additionally, new regulatory clarity and institutional green light are eliminating previous uncertainties, accelerating digital asset adoption across the financial sector. Many past regulatory cases have either been resolved, dismissed, or allowed to lapse, setting a favorable precedent for crypto assets, including XRP. Major banks are now integrating blockchain solutions following Trump's pro-crypto policies, and there are reports suggesting early discussions on Bitcoin as a national reserve asset. Why this matters to investors. Massive institutional upside is on the horizon as banks and investment firms expand their crypto portfolios, driven by regulatory clarity and strategic positioning. There is significant capital flow into crypto markets following Trump's announcement. Traditional financial institutions are transitioning toward on-chain settlements, DeFi integration, and tokenized assets, marking a crypto banking revolution. Early adopters, both investors and banks, will dominate the next wave of financial innovation as the U.S. shapes its crypto-driven economy. Strategic recommendations for investors. Allocate capital to Bitcoin and institutional-grade crypto assets to secure long-term exposure, as digital assets become a pillar of U.S. economic strategy. Engage in crypto-integrated banking solutions. From blockchain payments to crypto-backed financial products, banks that embrace digital assets will outperform traditional models. Leverage institutional DeFi and tokenized markets. Institutional DeFi presents new revenue streams in lending, asset tokenization, and on-chain financial settlements. And it's crucial to monitor the U.S. government's crypto policies closely, as regulatory changes can redefine banking strategies, presenting both opportunities and risks. Final takeaway. Trump's pro-crypto revolution is not just a policy shift. It's a seismic transformation of the global financial landscape. Investors must act now to secure their place in this new era of financial innovation.